Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TELL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, higher highs and higher lows, so the very impressive movement continues, and certainly updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line there as it served its purpose. And the first key update that comes into play here is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that is exactly what happened here today. Price broke up through that level, came back down, back tested it very nicely right there, and then back up it went. So 440 now what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning if you're asked, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best moving forward? And yeah, ideally if the price can stay above 440, that would be a great sign of power. But with that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 440 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, just doesn't matter right now. What do I mean? Well, what matters the most is what the price has been doing and continues to do, which is right there, building those higher bases, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So in other words, as long as these stair steps continue to construct themselves in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.